Once upon a time, in the ancient land of Gaul, modern-day France, a great battle took place, a battle that would shape the destiny of the region and establish Roman dominance over the proud Celtic tribes. This is the story of the Siege of Alesia, a remarkable conflict that showcased the military genius of Julius Caesar and marked the end of Gallic resistance. It all began during the Roman conquest of Gaul, when Julius Caesar, a skilled general and statesman, sought to expand the Roman Empire's influence over the region. However, the Gauls were not willing to surrender their lands without a fight. Led by the charismatic and formidable Vercingetorix, they rallied together in a revolt against Roman rule. As the Gallic tribes rose in rebellion, Caesar faced a significant challenge. The tribes employed guerrilla tactics, using their knowledge of the terrain to their advantage and striking Roman garrisons and supply lines. They aimed to wear down the Roman forces and drive them out of Gaul. Caesar, recognizing the gravity of the situation, gathered his legions and focused his efforts on capturing the principal of any stronghold of Gergovia. However, the revolt of the Aedui tribe forced him to temporarily abandon the siege. Determined to crush the Gallic resistance, Caesar regrouped and set his sights on Alesia, where Vercingetorix had taken refuge. Alesia, situated atop Mount Arose near the source of the same river, posed a formidable challenge for Caesar. Vercingetorix commanded a massive force of over 90,000 men, while Caesar had only 55,000 soldiers at his disposal. Undeterred, Caesar ordered his troops to construct a double line of fortifications, both an inward-facing wall of contravallation and an outward-facing wall of circumvallation. These walls, stretching roughly 10 miles in circumference, were equipped with deep ditches and fortified ramparts. Caesar's soldiers diligently worked to fortify their positions, placing sharpened stakes in front of the ditches to deter any potential attacks. As the siege progressed, Vercingetorix appealed to Gallic tribes far and wide for relief, resulting in a vast army of as many as 250,000 men and 8,000 cavalry descending upon Alesia. The situation seemed dire for Caesar and his outnumbered troops, but they remained steadfast and resolute. Caesar's foresight and strategic planning paid off. The Roman forces repelled multiple relief attempts and breakout sorties, inflicting heavy losses on the Gauls. Despite being surrounded by a massive enemy force, Caesar's legions held their ground, thanks to ample food supplies and a reliable water source. Desperate to save the lives of the women and children trapped within Alesia, Vercingetorix attempted to negotiate their release, but Caesar sternly refused. With dwindling supplies and hope, Vercingetorix eventually made the difficult decision to surrender. He was taken to Rome as a captive and later executed, symbolizing the end of Gallic resistance. The defeat at Alesia dealt a severe blow to the Gauls. Many lost their lives in the fighting, while others were sold into slavery. The majority of the remaining tribes quickly renewed their allegiance to Rome, recognizing the futility of resisting the mighty empire. Gaul, with its vast resources and population, became an integral part of the Roman Empire for the next 5 centuries. The conquest of Gaul solidified Caesar's position and expanded Rome's influence. However, it also raised concerns among some Roman leaders, as Caesar's growing army and power became a threat to the stability of Rome itself. The Siege of Alesia stands as a testament to Julius Caesar's military brilliance and the resilience of the Gallic tribes. It was a pivotal moment in history, one that forever changed the fate of Gaul and shaped the course of the Roman Empire.